Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you my go-to glam look, like a soft glam, kind of dramatic but soft, you know, look. And I already did my eyebrows and I already prepped my eyes. So let's just jump right into this tutorial. Okay, I kind of got to move fast. I have like 30 minutes to do this. Let's go. So I'm going to be taking the Profusion Wonderlust palette. You guys saw when I bought this in that vlog. I've been obsessed with it since I've got it. It's kind of been my go-to, which is weird because it's not like a palette full of neutrals like this. The light, sorry. It's not a palette full of neutrals. It's got a lot of color going on, but I really freaking like it. And I'm looking at it right now and I'm kind of like, I might not do a soft glam. I might do something else because I'm really liking this color. So I'm taking Statement, which is just light brown, kind of tan, and putting that in the crease. I found so far, I haven't used all the colors in the palette, but they're all pretty pigmented. I'm gonna take a different brush because I need something to actually fan the color out. The green is really calling to me, y'all. But I really don't feel like doing dramatic ass makeup today, so. But I do. The green is really calling to me. Let me zoom you guys in. You guys can't even see what I'm doing in my eyes. I'm an amazing YouTuber. All right. Okay. So, just applied the brown all over the crease. This is such an easy look, guys, honestly. And I'm just fanning it up a little bit, making sure I'm covering any white from concealer. Because I really hate when you can kind of see the base sticking out. Alright, then I'm going to take just like the small tapered brush from the thing, and I'm going to take Nostalgia, which is a darker brown. I'm going to put that in the outer corner. I like to, when I'm applying dark colors, I like to pat them first where I want them and then start blending them out. So pat, 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 and then blend it out into the crease a little bit. And I'm gonna go in with another brush because this doesn't blend that well. Y'all, please ignore how my wig looked on the side. Y'all know how it be. Not every time you want to glue down the full lace frontal, so don't judge me, okay? So for the lid, the green in this palette is really calling to me, but I just said I didn't want to do a dramatic look like that. But it's calling to me. Specifically this color. Ooh, did I just nick a shade? Specifically this color. Oh, this just looks so good right now. It's really calling to me. But I don't know what I'm wearing tonight, so I don't want to wear makeup that's too dramatic and then feel like I have to tone down my outfit. Does that make sense? I mean, tone up my outfit. Like, are you guys like that? If I'm wearing dramatic makeup, then I feel like my outfit obviously doesn't have to match the color scheme. Coordinate, yes, but not match. But like, I feel like my outfit has to be worthy of dramatic makeup. And what if I decide that I just want to wear jeans and a crop top and I'm wearing this dramatic ass face, you know? Anyway, I'm going to take Love Story, which is this really pretty pink color. Focus. This one right here, really pretty pink. I'm just gonna apply this in the inner part of the lid. This looks really simple. This shade is like, it might be better with my finger because it's like barely showing up. on my eye with the brush, which is fine. Some shadows are like that. No biggie. So I'm just gonna use my finger. Yep, and there we go. It's still not like a super pigmented shadow. You guys can't even see this. The light's washing me out. It's not a super pigmented eyeshadow even with the finger. It looks like it's just like a topper. Like I would put this on top of another eyeshadow to make that color pop, but this is not like it's not a standalone eyeshadow. It looks good here, but I'm definitely a little disappointed in the color payoff. So I'm just applying with my fingers still. Kind of messy. It looks so pretty. It's just not the color that I thought it was gonna be. It's not as pigmented as I thought it was gonna be. All right, then I'm gonna go back in and fix the crease. I'm sorry that I'm playing with the lighting so much, but just sometimes some eyeshadows just really get washed out by my lighting and my camera, no matter kind of what I do. So just going back in to fix the crease, because you know with your finger, you're not that precise. Okay. And then I'm gonna darken the outer corner again a little bit, just a little bit, just a little bit. Then I'm going to take a black eyeshadow. It really doesn't matter. A black eyeshadow. You could even do a dark brown. That actually might look better than the black. But I'm gonna take a dark eyeshadow and I'm going to take a liner brush. The eyeshadow is liner. You guys, I did this trick in my dewy makeup tutorial. This is like my favorite thing. Like I really grew out of eyeliner, but doing this looks so good to me. Just a little bit. So now that that's done for lashes, try these out. These are the Ardell 3D Faux Mink lashes. I don't have high hopes because I tried the other one. I showed all of these in my vlog. The 854s were super freaking stiff. All the lashes I bought, guys, I don't seem to be liking them very much. I had high hopes for Ardell, and I really wanted to like their faux minks because they're more easily accessible than the ones that I get from AliExpress, and they're not as long. I'm really tired of cutting lashes, but we'll see. These are the 857s. Boom. They look like this. This band actually looks really thin in comparison to the 854, so I feel like it should work and shouldn't be too stiff. So I'm gonna put this on and I'm gonna come back. All right, lashes are on. I really like them for this look. As my homegirl would say, they kind of look like paper because they're a little thin, but for this look, they look good. They're very soft glam lashes actually. All right. For the face, I don't feel like doing a whole ass face of foundation, mostly because I've been taking like a lot of walks on my lunch break, so I'm actually really tan. I usually don't get tan because I'm not outside, but I'm actually kind of tan for once in my life. So I'm just gonna do a little bit of concealer, powder, and contour. So I'm gonna take the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer. Mine is in the shade Golden, I guess. I don't know how, I've used this concealer like 2-3 times, and I'm not sure how I feel about it yet. So I'm gonna put a little bit. This looks like a lot. Just to brighten up my face a little bit. My face looked real oily because I just did my skincare routine. I didn't even get a time to sit before I hopped in. Honestly, I'm kind of laughing at the fact that I did a whole foundation routine like less than 2 weeks ago. Well, actually about 3 to 4 by the time this is up. And I was like, I don't really mess with sponges anymore. Get with the winning side, use brushes. And this thing got huge. And then went back to using a sponge. This is the e.l.f. sponge. I don't know, I just saw it and it kind of called to me, and lately my concealer brush just hasn't been doing it for me. I don't know if it was with this concealer too. Like, it just kind of made it look really cakey. So I went and got me a sponge because I'm a fake bitch. So I'm just gonna blend that in. I'm gonna put a little bit more. That's the thing about the sponge, I feel like. It just kind of takes some of the coverage away. Put a little bit more. Just to get... Phone's actually blowing up for once. Shout out to Steph. Hey girl. You just texted me. Alright. So that's done. Blended. Looks like skin pretty much. And I'm going to take my Wet n Wild Photo Focus powder. I really love this powder. And I'm just going to apply that all over the face, except for where I applied the concealer. I'm going to contour with the Anastasia Beverly Hills contour powder. What did I do before this powder? Because now I'm obsessed. I really want to try the Fenty powders, but I just haven't gotten a chance. Also, I don't know if that brand's cruelty free, to be honest. I think it is, but I would have to double check, of course. I just haven't gotten around to it. And I have a bronzer that I like, and it's like, why mess with, don't fix something if it's not broken, you know? All right, then I'm gonna spray my face the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Rose 3-in-1. I'm gonna take the Wet n Wild Mega Slim, the Mega Slim Skinny Mascara, and put this on the bottom lashes because I feel like this really defines them and gets them wispy. For lips, honestly, for this look, I would probably just wear gloss. I don't know when I become such a glossy girl, but just gloss. I'm gonna take the Broadway Elixir lip gloss in, I don't know, it's a clear gloss. And I'll put this all over my lips. Kind of pile it on because I really want glossy lips. And then I'm gonna take, I think this is Broadway 2. It might be LA Colors, but I think it's Broadway. And it's in Wink. It's just like a nude lip gloss. And put this in the center of the lips. I really like the way this looks when you do it like this. That is it for the finished look. It's just, like I said, a really soft glam look. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you next time. Bye.